guys, it's Scarlett at Builder Cross, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this Valentine's paint kit. I am going to go in first with the paint color that's provided and my largest paintbrush, which is the number 12, and I'm going to base coat the majority of my truck. Next, I will be going in with the gray that's provided and the same brush. I just rinsed it off with a little bit of water and dried it with paper towel, and I'm just going to go in and paint the rear view mirrors, the glass, also my bumper, and the little banner that is going across the back of the truck. Next, I'm going to go in with the red, and I'm going to paint all of the hearts on my truck. And then after this, I'm just going to let everything dry completely, and I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brush stroke marker to outline everything. Once I'm done outlining, I will go in with one of the smaller brushes. I like to use the number 4 round in the packet and some white paint, and I'm just going to highlight everything. And then I'm also going to go in with my Sharpie marker and write love on these banners. But if you have something else you'd like to put in those banners, that would be cute as well. It was just a simple 4-letter word that kind of worked out perfectly for this truck. So as always, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and really enjoyed these paint kits. As always, I hope you guys have a great day.